we have more rain in the forecast for today. I don't think it's going to be as wet for as long as it was on Tuesday. It really helped keep temperatures way down. Our high temperature yesterday was 27 degrees below average with a high of only 58. That's the coolest ever on June 16th. We should be transpose those numbers into the mid-80s yesterday afternoon. While our temperatures will be creeping up in the days ahead, still some rain in the forecast though, but right now at least the triad is getting a bit of a break from the steady organized rains coming in. They're more affecting the western part of the area. Wilkes County, parts of Yadkin County moving toward the mountains now. This will kind of graze through over the last couple of hours, and we have more rain to the west and a pretty good steady axis of rain. Had some thunderstorms over Henderson not that long ago, and even though most of this rain is migrating into Virginia, I do think some of this will ease into the Piedmont Triad today. Two lows, we've been talking about these two lows the last couple of days. The upper level low that was over Columbia, South Carolina yesterday is now centered more over the Charlotte area. It's been moving northward, as has been the surface low that is now moving off the Atlantic and into the eastern part of the state. That is taking the good rain bands and that steady flow of moisture a little bit farther north into Delmarva, into Virginia, West Virginia, Maryland. We'll see some better, steadier rain today than we will here locally. That's not to say that we're done. Plenty of wraparound moisture still to come for today, but I think the rain is a little bit lighter than it was yesterday, a little more intermittent than it was too. Our current temperature is yesterday's high of 58 degrees. PTI Airport, Asheboro, Lexington, Winston-Salem, all reporting 58 degrees this morning. Temperatures begin to recover. Instead of the 50s, we're back in the 60s later today. Best rain chances in the Triad, I think, are late morning through about mid-afternoon, and then we'll start to scale that back with some patchy light rain still possible overnight and into Thursday as well. Similar numbers in the foothills, more mid-60s than I think upper 60s for you today, with temperatures expected to reach the upper 50s in many of our mountain locations a bit later in the afternoon. So again, you can still see we've got some unsettled weather in the forecast over the next couple of days. I think more toward the border counties today than it will be across southern areas, especially south of I-40. Tomorrow's thread starts out maybe a little drizzly in the morning. A better chance for storms starts to redevelop for late Thursday, late Friday, and likely into Saturday as well. And our temperatures are back in the 80s. Pretty warm for Father's Day with a high of 87.